Hey, what's up? I'm Tia. How many animals can you guess and spell on this wild animal quiz? Well, let's see. Okay, here's your hint. I'm tall with spots and I like to eat tree leaves. What wild animal am I? Yes, I'm a giraffe. Can you spell giraffe? Let's do it together. GIRAFFE. Giraffe is also jirafa in Spanish. Okay, here's your hint. I have brown fur and I climb trees and I eat bananas. What wild animal am I? Yes, I'm a monkey. Can you spell monkey? Let's do it together. Monkey. Monkey is also mono in Spanish. Okay, here's your hint. I have striped fur and I look like a pet, but I'm too big to live in a house. What wild animal am I? Yes, I'm a tiger. Can you spell tiger? Let's do it together. Tiger. Tiger is also tigre in Spanish. Okay, here's your hint. I sort of look like a horse, but I have black and white stripes. What wild animal am I? Yes, I'm a zebra. Can you spell zebra? Let's do it together. Zebra. Zebra is also zebra in Spanish. Okay, here's your hint. I'm really big and gray with big ears and a long trunk. What wild animal am I? Yes, I'm an elephant. Can you spell elephant? Let's do it together. Elephant. Elephant is also elefante in Spanish. Okay, here's your hint. I'm big and brown and I walk on four legs unless I'm angry and I stand up on two. What wild animal am I? Yes, I'm a bear. Can you spell bear? Let's do it together. Bear. Bear is also in Spanish. Okay, here's your hint. I'm the king of the jungle, and my mane is my pride. What wild animal am I? Yes, I'm a lion. Can you spell lion? Let's do it together. Lion. Lion is also león in Spanish. Thank you for watching Learning Spanish for Kids Wild Animal Quiz. Until next time, adios.